traffic and everything. So gone with full challenging. So to see you people, it was horrible journey. But luckily we came here. So fine then. How are you? Fine. No energy. Fine. From the last. Only fine. Not excellent. Okay, all right. So what is the topic today? Generative AI. Okay then.
Prompt engineering
Very good. Prompt engineering.
and machine learning.
Machine learning. Done. We have done with the topic. What is that? What is that? Have you heard about all those terms? Have you done any certification on it? You belong to MCA first year
Yes, sir.
or second year?
BCA.
BCA also mixed up. Okay, good. Okay. So you are knowing about some technologies. Yes, programming language based on the ChatGPT, right? Second, we'll discuss about the basic prompt. How to fine tune your answers. You have many questions. 3 lines you have as a question. But how to make as a very crisp.